Yeah. Okay, so I'm recording this video again. Okay, I'm gonna be starting Malaysian Snr series on this channel. So, hope you guys, yeah. So, what I'm gonna be doing is teaching you Malaysian Snr from the basic to the end, whatever you need and everything. So, as you already know, this is already marked. I drew. So, as you know, a normal SNR, there's how you mark support resistance is like you wait for price to show. If his price is reacting from certain level, you mark it. So it can be subjective or to some other person. Some might mark like this level or something. So just to remove this uncertainty, or like to make this thing objective, we use Malaysian SNR. It's similar to support resistance as to trade, like price moves from resistance to support resistance, something like that. So in this we're going to be talking about candles today. So as you know, there's this is a green is the buy candle and the white one is the down candle. So there's an a, it creates a if you go on the line chart, it creates an a over here. So we mark the closing or the peak or the a, the top, as a resistance. So price, the after it closes the second one, it can go there and then drop. This is how we mark a resistance. And for this case, sell and buy, price closes over here, price can come here, touch it and go up. This is for the buys. So for these two, it's like a sell candle. So price can come back, touch and down, drop. So and for this one buy, there's a buy candle and then it can touch and go. It's the mid is the one and a open and a close candle. There are a few names, hidden base and many more. So these are the types of SNR. Four types of SNR we use for the sell and the buys both. So this series is not gonna be just the normal random videos and stuff. So for this video, it's only this much, and for I'll be uploading next part something. So for now, if for now you I want to send whoever's watching, the viewers, if you want to be like learning, just send me these, mark these types of SNR whenever you can find. Okay, mark these types of SNR wherever you can find. I'll just show you an example and send me in the DMs. I'll give the link for the group or in the description. So as you can see, this price can go over here and stuff. I'll show you some examples for this. These are the examples. First, we'll go for with this one. This one will be, let's see, how can I show you this one? See, a buy candle and a sell candle. Price comes here and down. Okay, this is one example. I'll show you another for the buy, the sell, and the buy one, and then we'll go to someone else. Okay, let's see. Okay, this one is clear. See, a sell and a buy candle. Price comes back and it went up. Okay, this these two are the normal A's and the V's candle, and these are the gaps. I'll show you these examples also. The sell and the sell. This one is the sell candle. Okay, this one I'll mark just this one. Okay, maybe in the okay, I'll mark a clear. Which one is clear for you to see? Something example maybe. Yeah, okay, we can see. See. Oh, okay, but first sell candle, right? Sell. Get my. Wait. There are too many examples. So it's an H for right. So sell candles. I just wanna show you some the correct one. Just to make it simple. Yeah, this will work. This will work. No, it's not clear. Let's see. Yeah, yeah. because it didn't give them. Okay, so this is a sell candle down at the town, or you can take this sell candle down. Price came back here and went down. So this is a sell example, and there's another buy example over here, as you can see. They actually many buy example. So this is a buy candle, this is a buy candle. You mark this level, price comes back, and then it went up. So these are the examples. So these are the four types of SNR we're gonna be using. It's not like four types of candlesticks SNRs we're gonna be using. There are more, but we'll be talking about in next video. So if you want uh, to learn these types, and if you want, if you're correct or not, I'll be just send me marking like at least 1 2 3 4 four to two for every one SNR. Give me two examples in and send it to on the Telegram. I'll check if and see if it's correct or not. If you need any improvement, so that's it for this video, and hope you guys will enjoy the Malaysian series. I'll be talking about everything in this, so don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. So bye.